We're in Group A, and we are going to draw office, and we also draw a travel lorry, a hotel. So we also draw a swimming pool, and we also draw a park, and we're going to work as a teamwork to make this. So we're Group B, and what we're gonna build is a tube, a train station, and we're gonna build an office near that, and next to that we're gonna build a shard, and if we have time we're gonna build roads and humans.
Fantastic. Go.
We are from Group C. This is the hospital, this is the school, this is the temple, and this is the church.
And you're building the option A or option B?
Option B, I think. Option B.
What was the option B?
I think both.
Option B was?
Community.
Community.
No, I think we made a both.
We're Group D, and we're gonna build a Lego based on places in Southend, and some of them are this tower, which you can see, which can let you see on the beach, on the sea, and then there's like this Ferris wheel over there, and then there's the adventure center near Southend, this on sea, and then we're gonna add some 5x5 buildings and some 4x4 houses, and we're also gonna add a C2C train station.
Thank you.